Okay, y'all, so that was fairly easy. Probably about a half an hour, because I did make a mistake when I first put these poles across. I did not add that little black rubber, so you see me in the video going back doing that. So make sure you do put that in, because it does space it out so the drawers will go in properly. The only thing I found was time consuming was doing the knobs on all 10 drawers. Okay, so very nice. Like I said, I've been wanting one for a long time, and just happened to come across this about 2 weeks ago, and less than $25. Alright, so I'm gonna go and unbox some stuff and show you what I'm gonna put in the drawers next. Alright, so I got this together. We're gonna take the first drawer, and I'm going to do it in real time, that way you can see it, and then the rest of the drawers will be in time lapse. So as I mentioned in the last segment, I was using these Dollar Tree baskets, and they are easier to slide under and pull out. But now that I have my 10 drawer organizer, I'm going to transfer some of the stuff that I did place in those baskets in here. So let's get started. So this is just what do you say, my office supplies. So I'm going to put all my erasers in here. I'm just going to grab it. I have pencils, dry erase markers, you know, big markers. So this is what this is going to be used for. Get all that stuff out. Alright, so I got about 6 drawers filled. I still have 4 more to do. And I'm still, you know, working in the garage. So when I find things that I know I will use on a regular basis, I will fill up those last 4 drawers. I don't want to hold you with a long video. But all I did with the first drawer, this is like all my writing utensils, markers, colored pencils, etc. And the second drawer is like scissors, erasers, sticky pads, calculators, staples, etc. Third drawer, I'm utilizing it for like glue, my adhesive spray, tape, Mod Podge, that type sort of stuff. This drawer is like my embellishments. See that? So that's what I'm glad that I have this. I can put little small stuff in there that I know I'm going to be working with. And then this drawer down here, this is all my chain of fabulous beading. And then I have all my rhinestones and stuff like that in that drawer. And then the last drawer, it's kind of like a, it's going to be probably like a catch-all, but it's for like my ruler, my candle lighter. I do have scissors in here. I'll probably utilize that like for my tools when I'm cutting things. And the other drawers, like I said, I know I will find stuff to fill them up. The only thing that I'm a little bit concerned that this is not on track. So you gotta watch how you put these in here. And I love it because it's on wheels, and if it's too hot to work in the garage, then I can always wheel it to the garage door and take it into my office and work on my little table that I have in there if I can't, you know, come out here some days. So that's why I'm going to make sure that I fill this up with items that I use, all my tools. That way I can work inside when I have to. Alright, y'all, so I'm glad you stopped over. Thank you so much for watching. If you made it to this part, I really, really appreciate it. And, you know my saying, as I always say, child, if it ain't cheap, I ain't buying it. I'll see you in another video. Bye-bye.